What is the water stress? What is the water stress? How and why does it differ regionally in India? India is placed at the 13th position among the world 17 extremely water stressed countries. At the 13th position among the world, 13th position, world 17 extremely world stressed countries. 13th position among the world, 17 extremely water stressed countries. According to the Aqueduct Water Risk Atlas released by the World Resources Institute, water stress is a condition when the demand for water exceeds an available amount during a certain period, when poor quality restricts its use. Water stress causes deterioration of fresh water resources in terms of quantity. India is placed at the 13th position among the world's 17 extremely water stressed countries. Aqueduct Water Risk Atlas released by the World Resources Institute. Water stress. According to Aqueduct Water Risk Atlas released by the World Research Institute, aqueduct water stress is a condition when the demand for water exceeds the available amount during a certain period of stress causes a deterioration of freshwater resources in terms of quantity and quality. Eutrophication, organic matter pollution, saline intrusion. Water stress is a condition. Stress is a condition when the demand for water exceeds the available amount during a certain period of demand for water exceeds the available amount during a certain period. Available amount during a certain period. Poor quality restricted use. Poor quality. Water stress causes deterioration of fresh water resources, reducing quantity. Also quantity. Aquifer over exploitation, dry rivers, and quality. Eutrophications, organic matter pollution. Or eutrophication means grass level increasing, organic on the water resources. Organic matter pollution. Organic matter polluted. Saline intrusion. Saline intrusion means soil and saline. Water resources saline. Water stress occurs due to industrial waste. Urbanization, pollution, rainfall wastage, poor sanitation, rainfall SO2, NO2 wastage, solidification of the nitrification and the acidification of the rainwater, poor sanitation and depleting groundwater. Water stress of water. Chandigarh is the most water stress followed by Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Chhattisgarh are under water stress due to the shortage of rainfall. There is a Bihar and Chhattisgarh shortage of rainfall. State of peninsular India such as Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana due to inadequate rainfall suffer from water scarcity. Incessant rain also occurring for short periods, but also irregular rainfalls and the climatic change due to scarcity of the water. In the rainy season it rains heavily, but it flows downwards sea. Quickly it flows into the sea. State of peninsular India such as Maharashtra, scarcity of water, suffer from water scarcity, inadequate rainfalls, insufficient rainfall. Kerala which witnessed flood in 2018. Kerala, which witnessed flood 2018. Also underwater stress Kerala due to high temperature and water scarcity. Kerala, which witnessed flood in 2018, is also underwater stress. Underwater stress due to high temperature and water scarcity. Kerala, which witnessed Sakshi flood 2018, is also underwater stress. Underwater niches due to high temperature and water scarcity. Varying amount of rainfall. The pattern of rainfall is not uniform in India. The region of windward water stress level varies from region to region. Water stress level. This is primarily due to the pattern of rainfall is not uniform. Regions on windward side of mountain receive more rainfall, and windward माने अनुवृत्त पार्श्व mountain का then those on leeward side. Windward side more rainfall, and leeward side, upper side region with low or inadequate rainfall, insufficient or under extreme water crisis. Local temperature condition, high temperature in a region contributes to water stress. High temperature. Many regions such as Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra experience water stress condition in summer because of high temperatures, scarcity, arid temperatures, not humid temperature, depleting groundwater. Some of the regions in the country are experiencing rapid urbanization and anthropogenic activities. Population growth, demographic activities, which have resulted in lower groundwater layer. Delhi and other NCR cities are example of this. Delhi and other NCR cities are example of this. Pollution. Industrial waste have rendered the lowering the ground, which have resulted in lowering the groundwater. Delhi and other NCR cities are example. Regions in the country are experiencing rapid urbanization and anthropogenic activities, which have resulted in lower of the groundwater layer. Pollution and industrial waste have rendered the nearby water bodies industrial waste bodies polluted, thus resulting into increased water stress level. Industrial waste domed nearby water. Pollution in Yamuna is one such example. Yamuna. Overexploitation of resources. Industrial waste have rendered overexploitation of resources with growing use of fertilizer and increasing consumption of water resources. Consumption of water resources of activities like farming have led to increased pollution level. Have led to increased level of farming and agricultural have led to increase pollutant levels and depleting and pollutant levels increasing. This situation is very common in northwest region, Punjab side. That's with increasing this water stress, more and more regions water stress and becoming exposed to this threat where demand exceeds the available amount of resources. Demand exceeds the available amount of resources. The only way forward to overcome such situations is rainwater harvesting, cutting daily water use bioremediation and regulating the industrial hubs. The only way forward to overcome such situations is rainwater harvesting, cutting daily water use. Such situations is rainwater harvesting. Only way forward to overcome such situations को is rainwater harvesting को हार्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. कटिंग डेली वाटर यूज को कट करना, बायोरेमेडिएशन, रेगुलेटिंग द इंडस्ट्रियल हब्स को रेगुलेट करना, हार्वेस्टिंग रेन वाटर एंड कटिंग डेली यूज वाटर. Water use by remediation is necessary. Water stress